for safe, kid-friendly, authoritative content for your child? Hi, I'm Lori Hines with Cook, Learn, Grow, a children's cooking school offering K through 12 digital content through children's cooking instructional videos. Since 2013, Cook, Learn, Grow has been a leader in children's food literacy and cooking programming. Our K through 12 digital content now offers our top level instruction from the comfort of your home that gives children self-confidence, independence, life skills, creativity, and academic reinforcement. We have 3 products for you to choose from, offered through either a monthly or annual subscription. You can subscribe to a library called Little Chefs, which is content for kinder through 2nd, junior chefs for 3rd through 5th, or teen chefs for 6th graders and up. When you subscribe to either a monthly or an annual subscription, you and your child will gain exclusive access to content designed for the choice of your product. From soup to desserts, each of the libraries has over 50 instructional videos led by a team of dedicated professional children's cooking instructors, with new videos being added often. You'll also gain access, which is unlimited streaming from anywhere at any time, perfect for your schedule. Downloadable recipes that accompany each video, and through safe, kid-friendly, curated, authoritative content, we can provide the content that you are looking for that is safe. So if you are interested, please find out more at members.cooklearngrow.com, and we look forward to servicing you and your child through digital content. Thanks for joining us. Happy cooking.